Nailade joto takhum khoro chini koilang sing Ratanagar Dolopati road tinia lama hamyane chini takhum khoro joto palkhe phailaya tini chung root block ma kha baidyo tamolok chung 500 bosor thai skang para khacha tomo tawtha tui hamya lama hamya tre karan kahamya tui hamyani karono bro malaria diarrhea meningitis bronchitis poder porugi maya to abambaya tini brera utlaro phaiye chung root block ma kha bo lama ka samokhe hatima thara sabari lamprawa ambaya naide gari bathakmo asukhe kasolai bathalai ma to ha tini bazar bar thang phaimaya nai naide enke new jeram to hatima tha ekdom tawa bridge phok bai lai somaya ta wati phaikena abo tre thang phayung lemaya hatima cha rugi sugi poder por tini rugi poder por rugi ro tini ung tungpho bro phaime ane horja hokre nai naide nrao abo root block khemoni demand ro inketre nai naide chungbe khe root block ma kha ro nai naide tini Ratanagar nifo faile jao Ratanagar bro ro enke nai naide tawa kuno office ni kuno phayako hogra ro enke office ni hogra ro kya phayako SDM ba DWS ni S0 kya kuno saphayako ambaya bathalema to asuno tre 20 kawa fununai hambai. For example, we call ambulance. No ambulance is ready to come to our village because of the road. And and the sick people or the lay people, even if they wanted to come for emergency, no vehicle is ready to go there. Why? Because there is no road. And today, because of the road problem, we have no water to drink. We have no water to use. What we use water is actually a muddy clay, and we cannot even consume that. If we consume that, we will get diarrhea, cholera, or different kinds of sicknesses. For example, now COVID-19 is going on, and in this period, if we use this type of water, how we will survive? So our request is to the government of India as well as government of Tripura and the local government here, ruling government as well as who are looking over the Panchayat and blocks, PWDs, DWS. We want to give a clear message that we need proper road immediately within this month, because as far as our concern now and our immediate report, government is ready to give us water facilities in our villages, but because of the road problem, they are not ready to come to install that kind of tube wells or bore wells in our villages. So our kind request to the government of India, even to the Prime Minister of India, Modi, we want to say a quick message is that please make sure that we are also the citizens of India and we are not outsiders. So to make sure that we are Indians, please give us proper road connection, proper electricity, proper water supply, proper health and hygienic health centers, so that we may also develop our country. In order to develop our country, first of all, we have to develop our villages. In order to, if we develop our village, then only we can develop our society. If we develop our society, then we can develop our state. If we develop our state, we will develop our country. Then only we can become a developed country. We are all saying that we are developing. How we are developing? We put down our country and our citizens of India, and we develop other countries. Why? First develop our country, then develop other countries. This is our kind message, and please forward this message everyone, so that everyone get good support from government of India. Thank you.